Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is another Panasonic LED TV, model LED 3266. It's turning on, the backlight lights up but no image appears on the screen. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics and want to learn to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. The TV is no image, so let's first measure the VONE or the VGH voltage. We have no voltage to the VONE. VONE is about 30 volts DC. Let's measure the resistance of all the CKV and CKVB between them. It is about mega ohms or open between them. We have a resistance of 326 ohms between CKB1 and CKVB1. All the rest is mega ohm of resistance.
They had broken out of the hospital.
This is the left side, and this is the right side. We don't know which side has a resistance of 326 ohms. These holes are connected to the left side, and these holes are connected to the CKV generator. Let's cut the right side. We will cut here so the right side CKVB1 will be the only be disconnected. The 326 ohms resistance between CKVB1 and CKB1 is a leakage of a gates in the panel. The DC to DC and the CKV generator have an overcurrent protection, triggered by the 326 ohms resistance, and the DC to DC turns off, so the VONE also turns off to prevent the DC to DC from damage. So we will cut or disconnect the 326 ohm CKV leakage so the DC to DC will be worked normally. The right CKVB1 is now disconnected. Let's try it if we have cut the CKVB1 that has a leakage. The VONE still has no voltage. Let's cut here now so the left side CKVB1 will be disconnected. The left side CKVB1 is now disconnected. Now let's try it again. We have a VONE now of 30.7 volts. And the image now appears but is not normal because both left and right CKVB1 are disconnected. The left side CKVB1 has the 326 ohms leakage. So let's reconnect the right side CKVB1. The right CKVB1 now is reconnected. Now let's try it again. Seems the image is okay now.
No, so we have already seen sales of battlefield rockets and battlefield missiles.
But the image has a fine lines.
The Wagner Group, the Russian private military organization.
We can remove those lines by disconnecting all the CKV lines on the left side.
few inches later.
And solder them all like this, then connect them all to the ground. Note, not all will be going to work on this method.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. The fine lines are now removed. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something from my video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.
That figure will double, especially in low-income countries.